Chinese business magnate, investor, entrepreneur and the founder of the Alibaba Group, Jack Ma has emerged as a name to reckon with in recent years. The richest man in China and one of the richest people in the world, Jack Ma was born in a humble family and worked as a tourist guide for several years. Here are the famous quotes of Jack Ma which will inspire you in your life. Where there are complaints, there are opportunities in the same places. You have to be very focused on your bad days and you have to trust your mind and not your strength. You want the right people with you, not the best people. Never give up. Today is tough, tomorrow will be worse, but it will be sunken the day after tomorrow. You should learn from your opposition but never copy. If you copy, consider it loser. The world will not remember what you did where, but of course she will not forget what you did. It is most important to have patience in you. Sooner or later, you will regret that you have spent all your time working. It is the most important to have patience for success. I am happy when I live and I get good results too. If you have never tried, how will you know that there is a chance? If you do not give up, you have one more chance. To give up is the biggest failure. Never compete on price, but compete on service and innovation. We never have a shortage of money. If we have a shortage, then people who dream. Instead of learning from the successes of others, learn from their mistakes. Most people who fail are the same due to their failure, whereas many reasons for success can be found. Life is very short and beautiful, do not be so serious about work. Enjoy life. Alibaba is a system that helps small businesses thrive. I do not want the logo of people in China to be deep but mindless. My job is to help as many people as possible get the job done. Help the youth, help people younger than yourself, because younger people will grow up. Young people will have seeds that you will sow in them, and when they grow up, they will change the world. When you have $1 million, you are a lucky person, but when you have $10 million, you are in trouble. Never do business with the government, love them but never marry. When we have money, then we start making mistakes. If the customer loves you, then the government will have to love you. There is no Jack Ma and Alibaba without the internet. Today it is very easy to earn money. But it is very difficult to earn money continuously while being responsible and improving the world. You never know how important things are to society. Never a 20-year program should be finished in 2 years. A fool is needed to lead a wise man. If all the scientists are in the team, then it would be best to give leadership to a farmer because his way of thinking is different. It is easy to win when you have a different perspective. I call myself a blind man riding a blind tiger. If we are a good team and know what we have to do, then each one of us can defeat 10 of them. We appreciate the past, but we look forward to a better tomorrow. You do not know how much you can do in your life. A leader must have more patience and perseverance and must tolerate what his employees do not. I do not want to be liked. I want to be honored. I try to keep myself happy, because I know that if I am not happy, my colleague is not happy and my shareholder is not happy and my customer is not happy. No matter how hard the chase is, you should always have the dream you saw on the first day. He will keep you motivated and protect you from any weak thoughts. If you want to win the 21st century, then you have to empower others. Make sure that other people are better than you. Then you will be able to succeed. I am a very simple boy. I'm not smart. Everyone thinks that Jack Ma is a smart boy. I may have a smart face, but I've got a very stupid mind. Forget about your competitors, just focus on your customer. Choose the most suitable person for the job, not the most talented. This can be a very painful lesson. There is no point in running a Boeing jet engine where you need to run a tractor. When the KFC company came to China, 24 people went for the interview. 23 of them were selected. I was the only boy who was not selected. It does not matter that I failed. At least I passed the concept to the others. Even if I don't succeed, someone else will succeed. I am going to enjoy something other than business. Never let business or life betray others. I was cheated by 4 companies in 1995. All 4 companies are closed today. A company cannot get away with more than deception. If you see everyone as your enemy, then everyone around you will be your enemy. Increase your thinking, enhance your culture, increase your values, increase your values. A leader should never compare his technical skills with his employees. A real businessman or entrepreneur has no enemies. If an entrepreneur understands this, then the sky is his limit. If you want to make a great company, then think about which social problem you can solve. It is about solving social problems. Always put customers first, employees second, and shareholders third. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.